Do you like to build things? Do you wonder how God made this wonderful world of ours? Well, I do. I'm Mr. Bouwsma. I teach at Colonial Christian School. I have 2 master's degrees, and I'm certified by both the state of Florida and by FACS, the Florida Association of Christian Colleges and Schools. I've been building things since I was 5 years old, and I love studying science, and I love science. I can teach you how to build a robot that will drive itself. I can teach you how DNA makes proteins. I can teach you how to take a key from your key ring and coat it with copper. Join me, and let's make things that are amazing together and enjoy the beauty and wonder of God's creation.